Mongolian culture and hospitality leave a profound mark on me. Mongolians take immense pride in sharing their traditions, and their warmth often reflects the vast, open landscapes they call home. Here's how their hospitality might captivate me as a non-Mongolian. When visiting relatives in Mongolia, people always bring a gift, an important cultural practice that reflects respect, gratitude, and social harmony. Mongolian hospitality traditions emphasize generosity, and gifts symbolize goodwill toward the family. During the New Year Spring Festival or Nadam, gifts are customary. For hosts, consider practical items: fruit, chocolates, or tea. Avoid flashy or overly expensive gifts. Thoughtfulness matters most. For children, pencils, stickers, or candies are cherished and very common. In Mongolian culture, the custom of waiting for all family members to sit together before starting a meal is deeply rooted in respect, unity, and communal harmony. Beginning a meal only when everyone is seated reinforces the idea that no one is left behind or overlooked. Even guests must wait for the host family to gather before eating. This reflects Mongolia's renowned hospitality, where visitors are treated as part of the household. These are some of my experiences in Mongolia, and I will share more in the coming vlog. Thanks for watching, and share this with your family and friends.